I'm at Steeple Chase Hill in Renton. We've worked out here before. We've done some striping. We've bid some seal coating. So what I'm going to do is provide this quote for Management Trust. This is going to be for concrete repairs on some sidewalks, and then seal coat and striping. I'll have all the quantities put into Workman's and for the striping and for the seal coating and the crack fill. As far as the concrete goes, I'm going to show you 3 different areas. There's 2 entrances here, and you got to come in by gate. The gate code's 1500. But you come in, there's going to be one that's there, one that's in this back corner, if I could get it to focus, and then one out the other entrance. So I'm going to show you those 3 repairs. For project managers, if we need to park at all, we can park out on the side streets. There's no problems there. So we can park out there if need be, so we're not plugging it in or plugging it up inside here. It's not a whole lot of room. You know, you got reserved parking everywhere, and you got stall numbering. You got 18-inch fire lane stencils, but you also have got little 3-inch no parking fire lane stencils inside the red line. All right, so just make note of that. As far as cleaning goes, the place is in pretty decent shape. I think a snuffy would do the trick. I don't think we need to power wash anything because it's all kept up pretty nice. All right, so let's go to the first repair. I think I've looked at this repair once before, but if you go past stall number 12, you can see last time I was here, they decided to have precision concrete cutting out here, and they did a grind on this whole section here. There was this other one that was over here too, and I'm not sure why they didn't do any grinding on that, but I'm gonna put this back into the bid, and let me think twice here about this. Yeah, so instead of taking out this concrete because it's got railing and all that, I'm gonna propose that we try to take out these 2 panels. So it'll be this panel in order to try to get the slope to let's see here. Let's see if we can try to only do 1 panel. I think what we're gonna have to do is we might have to do 2 panels. So that means we'd have to cut out this panel here and then cut out that panel, because this is raised. I don't think we'd be able to come off of that and then at the same time slope that down. Might be kind of tough. So anyways, so we got this panel right here. So we got a 7x4 right here, and then we've got a 5x4 right there. Actually, it's a 5x4. Okay, so that's a 5x4 right there, and then you got a 7x4 panel right there. We're gonna go 5 inches on that depth. Okay. Let me take you over to the other repair. As far as access to those 2 panels, we've got this open parking stall right here, which would be helpful, plus this open area. So we'd be able to back up right to it. All right, I'm gonna take you to the last 2 repairs, which are towards the back of the property and then on the other entrance. Okay, so I drove in from the entrance, came around the corner to the back, and then this back section here, you've got next to stall number 3 where it says visitor. If you make your way over here to the right, next to P102, it's unit P, you've got this raised concrete that's right there. So I'm going to propose that we take out all 3 of these panels. Okay, so you've got a 4x4, 4x4, and a 4x4. Take out those 3 panels. We'll be able to bring that concrete up just a little bit so it'll match up with that sidewalk, and then that won't be a trip hazard. Okay, and then the last one I'm going to take you to is right up here at the entrance. And then you got the last one here that's right at the very end of the other entrance. And this is next to stall 92. You got this stall. You've got trip hazard that's right here. More than likely, it could be a grinder could be taken to that. But I'm going to give a price to do this 5x4 right here. That 5x4 panel, in order to lift it up just a little bit and get it flush with that concrete here on the corner. And that's it. This place has been seal coated before. so it's in great shape. The crack fill, the seal coat, the striping, I'll have all those quantities in there, but they definitely want a price and are considering getting the seal coating and striping done next year. I'll try to see if we can get the concrete done this year. All right, any questions, let me know.